Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and security. Then let's tap on the system security and scroll down to the very bottom. In this other section, we've got credential storage on the second position, so this is the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and as you can see at the bottom of the list, we've got again the option we're looking for in this red color, remove all user certificates. So let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.